Who cooks at home?
Me. Christmas is coming. I'm making the roast chicken. You make the yummy baked mashed potatoes. And in 1 minute, use the Stahl Versatil cooker. Okay, bye.
लिख के ले लो, she is not going to make anything.
She loves it.
Hello? Where's the roast chicken?
I have too much work. You make now, please.